Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a form to your funnel in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. Forms are essential for capturing leads, and with the drag and drop builder, it only takes a few steps to set one up. Once you're inside your GoHighLevel account, go to the Funnels and Websites section and open the funnel you want to edit. Select the funnel step where you'd like the form to appear, such as your landing page. In the page editor, look to the left-hand panel where all the elements are listed. Find the form element, then drag and drop it onto your page exactly where you want it to sit, whether that's below a headline, next to an image, or right in the middle of the page. After placing the form, click on it to open the settings. From here, you can choose an existing form you've already created or build a new one. Forms can include fields like name, email, phone number, and any custom questions that help you qualify your leads, such as budget range or service interest. You can also customize the look of the form by using the style options, adjusting colors, fonts, and button designs so it blends seamlessly with your page. Once your form is ready, save your changes and preview the funnel step. Submit a test entry to make sure the form is working and leads are being captured properly. In just a few minutes, you've added a fully functional form to your GoHighLevel funnel, giving you a simple but powerful way to collect information from your prospects. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.